Those who are here without. Yeah,
Evangelist EBUKA OBI has done it again. The man of God has given out 10 million naira for couples to get married in the Zion Prayer Movement outreach.
This is 10 million naira. So, this 10 million naira, as we agreed last 2 weeks Tuesday, or last Tuesday, was it last week or last Tuesday?
3 weeks ago.
So, I told you that somebody dashed me 10 million, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And because the 10 million, something in me, I was led and moved by the Spirit to use it, to give it to those who have been living with a woman without paying the bride price because of money.
Evangelist Obi is the spiritual director of Zion Prayer Movement Outreach and an anointed servant of God, whom God has been using to deliver his people.
Not to go and conduct the biggest traditional marriage in your village. We're going to use the 10 million naira to know how many people it will reach. How many people it will reach. So, this 10 million naira will go a long way. As I said before, we are not hoping to go and do one big party.
The use of the term Zion derives from the Christian Catholic Apostolic Church in Zion, founded in Chicago in 1896 and having missionaries in South Africa by 1904. That church emphasized divine healing, baptism by threefold immersion, and the imminent second coming of Christ. Evangelist Obi is a Nigerian evangelist, singer, author, teacher, and prophet. Born a twin into the staunch Roman Catholic family of Mr. and Mrs. Zion Prayer Movement Outreach, ZPMO, the non-denominational prayer ministry, located at Agbo-Okita, Lagos, Nigeria, was founded by Holy Spirit through his servant, Evangelist Obi. The ministry came into existence in 2009 after he had an encounter with divinity. In his recent wonders, Evangelist EBUKA OBI has paid bride price of over 100 couples in the Zion Prayer Movement Outreach. Bride price in Igbo culture, also in other African and Asian cultures, is the transfer of physical cash or money from the groom to the parents or the family of the bride at the time of marriage agreement, which signifies the acquisition of the rights by the groom, of the bride's labor and reproductive ability.